Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke and a big follower shout out. Let's get started.
Singable Words.
The word is
enforce.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Enforce is to make sure people follow the rules, to keep order, so we don't ignore the laws.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Apply, demand, dictate.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Avoid, overlook, refuse.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the teacher bring a ladder to school? To enforce the rules at a higher level. Now, let's use it in a sentence.
The lifeguard will enforce the pool rules.
Now, let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.
I like learning new vocabulary words.